In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create menu tabs with drop-down pages in Wix. If you're looking to organize your website's navigation or give it a refined, professional look, adding drop-down menus can be an effective way to do just that. We'll walk through the steps to set this up on your Wix site seamlessly. First, let's log into Wix. Open your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. Once there, click on Log in the top right corner and input your credentials. With your account open, you'll be directed to the My Sites page. From here, find the website you want to work on. Once you've located it, click on Edit Site, which launches the Wix editor, where we'll do all our work today. Within the Wix editor, move over to the left-hand toolbar and select Menus and Pages. When you click on that, you'll see a list of all the pages that currently exist on your site. This list is where we'll be building and organizing our menu structure. Now, let's add some main menu tabs. Still in the Menus and Pages section, you'll find an option labeled Plus Add Page. Click on this to create a new main page. Think of this as the primary tab like Services or Products in your website's navigation menu. Give this main page a name that clearly represents the section it is going to cover to ensure clear navigation for your site visitors. Once your primary menu tabs are set up, it's time to add the drop-down pages. These will be the subpages under a main tab. Let's say you have a Services tab. Under this, you might list pages like Web Design or SEO. Create each of these subpages individually. Then, in the Menus and Pages list, simply drag each subpage slightly to the right under its main page. This positioning will automatically create a drop-down effect under the main menu tab. After structuring your menu, it's important to give it a personalized touch. Click on the menu within your site's header. An option reading Design should appear. Click it. Here, you have the freedom to adjust the fonts, colors, hover effects, and even how the drop-down animation behaves. Tailoring these settings will enhance both the look and feel of your menu, offering a cohesive visual appeal that matches your site's theme. With everything looking good, remember to save your hard work. Simply click Save in the top right corner. Review your changes by hitting Preview and checking how the drop-down functionality works in real time. Once satisfied, click Publish to have your new menu go live, making it accessible to all your site visitors. Congratulations, you've successfully created an organized, user-friendly drop-down menu in Wix.